welcome back to our channel,
the Parchment Fam.
Alright, so today we have another kitchen video for you.
In the kitchen again
we
today.
call it cooking video. So today we are cook.
Are you cooking? Tell them we are cook.
Alright, so we are cook ribs. This is the pork ribs. We cut them up nice and everything. Meat clean up and wash already. Ready for season up now. This is the pork ribs right here, so. And we have Cowfoot here, so wash and everything ready to be season up and everything. So we have the seasons, we season them here, so now like some green pepper, onion, tomato, scallion,
sweet pepper.
is the same thing. And we have
Jamaican sweet pepper.
thyme and Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper.
How much pepper you use?
No, I cut it up.
Yeah, cut it up.
Cut it. We'll take piece, excuse. And we have, we call this now, paprika. We go on with both meat and meat paprika. We have brown stew seasoning and meat seasoning. So we are combine these two because this one have more salt. We don't need to add no salt to the meat. And then we have fish and meat sauce. And we have brownie. Alright. So now we are get to work. Cut up some of the season here. Put on this and rub it here. So I'm gonna deal with it real fast.
What do you use got to be?
Today.
Oh, what did one achieve?
No, cut up meat, them something here fast, you know, the time I waste. You know? Cut up some sweet pepper through this. So.
Yeah, you cut yourself.
Don't know, say, kitchen bitch are bad. Isn't it?
Kitchen bitch, you might want to name that. Be careful.
Alright, so we got that. I need much more sweet pepper. Put a little piece more. Good flavor, you know? Just use up this between both meat. Get it out the way. You don't want it spoiling in the fridge. Sweet pepper. And I'll put the onion now. Cut up that.
Piece of onion over there, so.
Yeah, use this piece first. And then we use the rest of that piece over there, you know? Alright, so we'll cut this up. Now you can see countertop wipe off and clean, so you don't have to worry about that.
Can I get away from there, please?
Piece drop, so it go. Clean that up. Onion. That little piece more. Alright, so onion. Put up some Caesar scallion in it too. And then we'll clean up this piece and scallion. We have a thyme.
What time is it?
Scallion past time. Alright.
Do you want to use to say that over there?
Come on. I don't like pepper, so I don't know. Just I bust this little piece, chop him in the same time.
That look too much.
And then I cut up with tomato to make that pressure out in it, you know. So we don't want no tomato in the gravy much.
Make it all like juice up and stuff like that, man.
Yeah, so some people put in the tomato when they want to cook down your food. I just put in it and I pressure it, make everything just pressure out in the gravy, you know. And water make it thick. Alright. You can see the tomato juicy. And then, so that good. We are stir this up in the meat a little bit. Rub up this. That are rubbing, as you can see. It's a pity you can't smell this right now. Then we're gonna put on some paprika first.
Not too much color, that'll make it hot too.
No, just a little bit of paprika.
Complain about everything we hot.
Yeah. So, rub on some paprika for me.
again.
little bit of the
Go open it
first. Meat season. Put on that. As you say, we put a good amount of this because we don't use no salt on it other than season. Alright everybody, so we done seasoning up now. These are the pork ribs. We put this with satay and then we pressure him down.
Like some serious work you did at the panda season there, you're out of breath.
Of course, man. You know, so we season meat hard when we season.
I'm like, you're out of
put no oil in it. You want to go through back for the butter.
Yeah, we don't want to oil. There's some that fatty in there.
And this, you know, this me not put in it, just throw in everything, so I know so me do it. Me get some water on this and everything, you know.
Take a look there. All that mess.
So you go in the kitchen.
Not
in the kitchen. I no mess no in there, and I do nothing in there. Yeah, people. Yeah, people, so you can see everything I saute now. These are the pork ribs. Just saute it in a pot little bit, and then we put in some water and making pressure down, you know? See that? Get some water in this now. Throw in there when we're ready. Don't want too much water because this will produce its own water. As you can see right here, so start produce water already. Some people in saute, they just throw on pressure, you know. So
need that.
One time I like saute, so you season stick to it a little bit.
Alright.
Start throwing the water now. Make it raw. Alright, so I'm gonna put this with pressure right about. Turn off the saute.
Oh, what the bud and cheese? I said they sound like some game.
Yeah, everybody, so you can see this done now. This done season up. Same thing how same way we season the pork ribs. Since they put the Cowfoot a season. So I put this with saute now and then set him pressure down, you know. You can see piece in there already.
Quiet.
Your people keeps them in their back room and go and bring a bag of things.
Ew! Mommy!
Alright, so that we make that saute and then we get some water on the seasoning and everything and just throw in, you know?
Amazing. And then we can clean up. Look at the mess again. Ugh. Mess.
I'm going next to me now, let's clean up.
Not fast enough. It's like driving me crazy right now. I want to go clean it up. You know why not sit down? So get up, man. Come up, up.
Here people, so right now this is saute, as you can see. No water, no really in it, just a saute, take a bit first in a pot. And then we throw water from it, you know?
Stick there and put it. Stick there and put it. Stick there and put it. Oh, I was going to pop up my camera. My lens. Right. Chef there.
Yeah, man, big chef. We seasonal thing, I catch water upon this and just chew in there, you know? As you can see, pressure cooker number 1 and pressure cooker number 2.
We don't own the two of them. But that's nothing.
Yeah, we don't own 2 of them. One of them are for this is ours and that one we rent.
Rent or borrow. Well. So you do it speed cooking.
Alright everybody, so as you can see, just tap a pressure cooker, make it breeze out and everything, and we take out this, check out the meat. So these are the pork ribs we'll cut up. As you can see, look nice. This is just the pressured version. We're gonna cook it down now in a frying pan and season up the gravy and everything, make it look nice.
Nice and taste nice.
We're gonna chew it in a frying pan.
Eileen, he's very something.
Produce it. No, I wasn't going to frying pan because it's on the stove is on. So frying pan is hot.
Oh. That can hold it, can hold.
Yeah, it should hold.
That's your family.
Alright, so that's all the water, everyone. We're gonna put the meat inside now. I have turned this up, it will cook down fast.
Don't think much cooking down there, just with water boil.
Water boil out. Add a little touch to the gravy. And you're gonna have a nice bite. As you can see it cook. Look at this. As you can see it cook. Meat already has come off a bone, so it look nice and tender. As you can see, meat well cooked. Alright. Just put it in a frying pan now, make it finish cook down. Yeah, my wife a back up because she afraid that
then my wife mustn't back up.
as you can see the frying pan full.
I don't know where, but take out some of my water.
Just take out a little bit of water, and that's natural sometimes.
Walk up here.
Alright.
We'll go to your way. Back up. Yep. Back up.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take out no more because I'll cook some more. Just put this around.
You want in the fridge now? Come on in here eat. Jeez. Might run over.
Turn this up and make it cook down, you know? Probably can take out some more water than that, and the meat already cooked.
Yeah, so I don't know much left to cook it.
Just take out your pan and chew it, so you know. Bring it back.
Careful.
When it's cooked. You see much oily meat produced?
Throw away meat.
Yeah, that's good. Alright everybody, so Cowfoot pressure down, you know, see it there, then pressure cooker, see it look nice. So what we are do now, we are throw them out. These are the pork ribs that cook already, so we turn that off, we take that off our stove, and we're going to put on the Cowfoot in this frying pan to cook down now. Alright, so basically this look like it well cooked, as you can see. Lift up half a bone already.
Put in there now. Bean.
Yeah, we have put butter bean in this, but we have put in a frying pan first. See that? Put this in there and make it cook down, you know? Nice.
Try them out now. I'll go do it then. Take off that first. So you're not in your way. When you cook what? Yeah. Well, then we never go take up make something with that people in Russia. So somebody's gonna get the views. Well, be careful. Yeah. Okay. Watch out. Oh, they put on cheese. Uh-oh. Each same way. Okay, there we go. What's it? I push it over. So alright. There we go. What a task.
People because you free that pot.
I'm not afraid that pot. But we don't want to show something inside it like what happened a while ago.
Alright, so now I'm going to hear something like egg fry, you know.
Careful. Something here.
Hold this properly because I know I burn up myself.
Exactly.
Show it.
But I take with myself. Don't leave you on it.
Right? So that's the water. See all of this are meat now. So I'll throw the meat inside.
Nah, bunny. The steam now, bunny. Careful.
Really?
I'm gonna get the spoon like I did the other
Take the
one.
spoon and take it out. The safety sake.
Yep. That's safe. That's sorry them would have said one. You know I need to get some of those pot holders.
Oh, we gloves still?
Yeah. Obviously me I'll get them. I never get them. Boy. Yeah, obviously me I'll get them. I never get them. I'll get some. Cause this dish towel holding now cut it.
Yeah, this towel thing.
Let me get some.
That have a Dutch pot with hanger.
Yeah. Let me get some. I said Dollar Tree. When I buy quality one.
Alright everybody, so as you can see, this is like a lot of water, but we are turning up and make it cook out.
Plus the baked bean I go.
Because you know say baked bean
I
are
go
going
cook
to
up
this.
some. I go suck up.
Cowfoot can't cook too much.
Leave there. Bubble.
The pot won't make it steam out, you know?
Alright. I'm going to put my clothes. My sheet. Them. You should have put in it now because you don't want the butter bean to cook out a little bit. Eh? You know what I talk here? Because if not, the butter bean is tough. Tough. Can't come up over here.
The people say we put in grease butter bean.
Busting.
Like the last in the pot.
Busting open.
Float off the water and thing. Oops.
You're too excited.
People in that way, you can put up in
You're too excited, man.
You gotta throw it out the water. That's what they call it, brine.
Yeah, man, I like using. Alright.
So you put in the butter bean in it, you know?
Yep.
That one cook down.
I'm gonna go for the close then. Said that like a million times. You know, last one. Perfect.
Yeah, people, so we'll make this cook down right about now, you know?
Alright.
Back to Zimmy. Alright, everybody, so as you can see, done cook now. Gravy thick and nice. Look. Gravy just a chop off a spoon, just a slide down thick and nice. Look there. Cow skin, Cowfoot me, I say cow skin. Cowfoot well ready now, you know? See that?
Take him off there.
So I turn off the stove and take him off now. Take him go and cool down and thing. Then we're going to you know what we are going to do. Take a taste test. We're going to see. Yeah, everybody, so we plate there. We have the Cowfoot well cooked there, so we have the ribs around here, so pork ribs that we cut up. Same thing my wife eat out a plastic bowl, so as you can see plastic bowl there, so see a piece of Cowfoot the way she eat the bean and then the ribs there, so banana dumpling. You can't see dumpling because in the bottom, and this is my dumpling then, 3 dumpling and banana. See that? She a drink body armor, we call it. She will drink with her food. There's a wash up plate you know. So you don't know, see I eat that the kitchen food feed there. And then we go eat. Proper. You can put them out of the ribs. See? That will nice, man. Proper. Okay, nice. Alright, so take another look. Our plate.
Things flash on face. Yeah, there's something flash up with water flash up on face.
So, you say ready for any video now? Alright, I got to taste yours.
Yes, yes.
Alright, so
What?
you taste that on taste now.
Testa.
And then we're going to have a video.
Right. The banana.
You don't need no banana in meat, mostly I taste banana is just banana. What you taste a while ago, you not tell them what you taste. Say Cowfoot. Alright, now she taste the ribs. Yeah, people, so as you can see, food them nice, we go kill them off, you know. And then we chillax. You see me? So that is another belly full for we. Thank God for that. And we're getting out the video here, so looking at camera, have manners to people then. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and hit down below and subscribe. Share up the video them.
And watch the other
videos them from our channel, alright? Peace out.
Bye.